Hello design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today we're tackling a common challenge, the narrow foyer entryway, and let's dive into decor ideas and how to maximize its potential. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Foyer entryway area often overlooked. This space sets the tone for your entire home. Let's start with the basics. What exactly constitutes a narrow foyer entryway? In architectural terms, a foyer is the initial space you encounter upon entering a home. A narrow foyer, quite simply, is one where the width is significantly limited, creating a corridor-like feel. This configuration often presents challenges in terms of functionality and aesthetics. It can feel cramped, dark, and unwelcoming if not addressed properly. The goal is to transform this potential bottleneck into a functional and visually appealing transition zone. This means carefully considering the layout, furniture, and decorative elements to optimize the available space. Now, why should you invest time and effort into decorating this seemingly small area? There are several compelling benefits. Firstly, a well-decorated foyer creates a strong first impression. It's the initial glimpse guests have of your home's style and personality. Secondly, a functional foyer improves daily life by providing a designated space for keys, shoes, and outerwear. A cluttered entryway can lead to stress and disorganization. Thirdly, strategic decoration can visually expand the space, making it feel larger and more inviting. By addressing lighting, color, and layout, you can transform a narrow passage into a welcoming and functional area. Finally, a thoughtfully designed foyer can increase your home's overall value and curb appeal. How to decorate narrow foyer entryway area to look good and bigger. The key to making a narrow foyer look bigger lies in strategic design choices. Start with the light and neutral color palette. Light colors reflect light, making the space feel brighter and more open. Consider painting the walls in shades of white, cream, or light gray. Next, focus on maximizing vertical space. Use tall, narrow furniture and wall decor to draw the eye upward. Mirrors are your best friend in a narrow space. They reflect light and create the illusion of depth. Opt for a large, full-length mirror or a series of smaller ones. Minimize clutter by using storage solutions like slim console tables, wall-mounted shelves, and baskets. Ensure adequate lighting with a combination of overhead, ambient, and accent lighting. Recessed lighting and sconces are excellent choices for narrow foyers. Finally, keep the floor clear. Use a narrow runner to guide the eye and add a touch of style. What the best items for narrow foyer entryway decor? Selecting the right items is crucial for a successful narrow foyer transformation. Here are 10 essential decor ideas. 1. Slim console table. A narrow console table provides a surface for keys, mail, and decor without taking up too much floor space. Choose one with drawers or shelves for added storage. 2. Wall-mounted mirror. A large mirror or a collection of smaller mirrors will reflect light and make the space feel larger. 3. Vertical wall shelves. Floating shelves or narrow bookcases maximize vertical space and provide storage for books, plants, and decorative items. 4. Narrow runner rug. A runner rug adds warmth and texture while guiding the eye down the length of the foyer. Choose a low-pile rug to avoid creating tripping hazards. 5. Wall sconces. Wall sconces provide ambient lighting without taking up floor or table space. They also add a touch of elegance. 6. Coat rack or wall hooks. Keep outerwear organized with a slim coat rack or a series of wall hooks. Opt for designs that blend seamlessly with your decor. 7. Storage baskets. Baskets provide stylish storage for shoes, scarves, and other small items. Place them under the console table or on shelves. 8 potted plants. Add a touch of nature with small potted plants. Choose low-maintenance varieties that thrive in low-light conditions. 9 artwork or framed photos. Personalize the space with artwork or framed photos. Create a gallery wall to add visual interest. 10 key bowl or tray. A small decorative bowl or tray keeps keys and other small items organized. Place it on the console table for easy access. By incorporating these items strategically, you can create a functional and stylish narrow foyer. Transforming a narrow foyer entryway doesn't have to be daunting. By focusing on light, space, and functionality, you can create a welcoming and stylish entrance to your home. Remember, every inch counts and thoughtful design can make a significant difference. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home decor inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own narrow foyer decor ideas. We love to hear from you.